The name of my project is the Internship Database. This database is inspired by a university course that I took, which aimed at helping cinema and media arts students find internships in Canada, and which graded the students based on their performance during the internship. Here you can see the entity relationship diagram of the database. Students, they can get from 0 to multiple internships, but each internship has to have exactly one student. As for the supervisors, they work for one company, but each company can have multiple supervisors, and supervisors can supervise multiple internships at once, but each internship must also have exactly one supervisor. And regarding the feedback that the supervisor gives the student's performance and the feedback that the student gives their internship experience working at that company and under that supervisor, they're both one-to-one relationships with the internship. Under the expected functionalities of the database, there are CRUD operations for students, companies, supervisors, tracking a student's internship history, and providing a way for students and supervisors to provide their feedback. Functionalities not covered are using this database to search for current internship openings or inferring any present-day information, such as if a company is still operating or if a supervisor still works there. Some common queries for this database are adding students, companies, supervisors, internships, and feedbacks, finding the contact information of a supervisor given a student's student number, as you can see on the example on the right, finding how a student was evaluated, finding students working in person or students who have or have not found internships yet, and blacklisting a company. Regarding optimizations, indexes were created on student number, supervisor email, and company name, which are unique over people's names. A trigger was also created to blacklist a company, which instead of deleting a company from the database, soft deletes it by assigning a date to the blacklisted column of that company. As you can see on the example on the right, as for some limitations of the database, it assumes that all companies are located in Canada. It also does not support any type of documentation as proof of what a student did. And as is, each company is operating under a single industry. So for example, a company is either in film or in animation or in radio, and a company like Sony, which spans over multiple industries, would not be represented accurately. This concludes my presentation. Thank you so much for watching.